Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to create a Facebook feed in Mirror app and add it to a Blogger blog. It's a simple way to bring fresh social content into your posts without a complicated setup. Step 1. Create your widget. Start by opening the Mirror app website. Sign up or log in if you already have an account. Choose Facebook feed from the widget options. Step 2. Customize the design. Select the source you want to connect and go to the Design section to edit what you want to display on your website. Once your feed is connected, you can customize how it looks. Adjust the layout, card style, spacing, and other design settings to match your website. When everything looks right, click the Publish button and copy the installation code in just one click. Step 3. Add it to Blogger. From the Posts section in your Blogger dashboard, open an existing draft or click New Post, depending on where you want the widget to appear. In the Post editor, click the pencil icon in the upper left corner and choose HTML View from the drop-down menu. Paste the Mirror app embed code you copied earlier into the editor, then click Publish. And there it is. Your Facebook feed is now part of your Blogger post. For more information, visit our Help Center and explore the links in the description.